On the 29th of June, we facilitated Playful Sounds as part of Rugby's Festival on the Close, and this is how it went.
No, like I really enjoyed it. Yeah, no, it was fun. I liked all the stuff that you used, and I liked the fact that I got to do this stuff as well. I also really liked the program that you were using as well.
NPC.
NPC. Okay, thank you very much.
Keep going.
We've had our fair share of really boring people who just drone on about music, but you were really engaging and you got us to do stuff and you taught us really well. So yeah, it was really nice to have. Thank you.
A professional drummer, so
yeah, all with your guidance. So yeah, thank you.
Yeah, it was really good. It was great.